On Diwali day and the subsequent day, air pollution became severe in Delhi. What resulted in this unbearable situation was the bursting of crackers during these days in and around Delhi, violating the ban. The burning of stubbles in nearby states was also a reason. The average air quality index in Delhi at 8 am on Sunday was 468. Almost all the areas in the city logged PM 2.5 levels above 400, with many regions nearing the alarming 500 mark. The air quality index for PM 2.5 pollutants crossed 800 in most parts of the capital on the night of Diwali. PM 2.5 refers to atmospheric particulate matter, or PM in short, that has a diameter of less than 2.5 micrometers, which is about 3% the diameter of a human hair. Commonly written as PM 2.5, particles in this category are so small that they can only be seen with a microscope. Sale and burning of firecrackers have been totally banned in the National Capital Region from November 9 midnight to November 30 midnight on account of the terrible pollution levels in Delhi. Earlier this month, a bench led by National Green Tribunal Chairperson Justice Adarsh Kumar Goyal had clarified that the direction will apply to all cities and towns in the country, where the average of ambient air quality during November 2019 was in poor and above categories. Kuldeep Srivastava, the head of the Indian Meteorological Department's Regional Forecasting Center, has said light rain is likely on Sunday under the influence of a western disturbance. It is still unclear if it is enough to wash away pollutants. Amid rise in coronavirus cases, worsening pollution levels in Delhi has been a major cause of concern. According to weather experts, stubble burning accounted for 32% of the city's PM 2.5 pollution, and calm wind had worsened the situation. In some areas, people complained of breathing trouble and bleak vision. Doctors and scientists say that short-term exposures to high levels of PM 2.5 can cause severe health problems, including worse coronavirus infections. It can also worsen blood pressure and asthma. The pollution due to stubble burning can also lead to premature deaths due to heart and lung diseases. News Desk, Kaumadi, English.